Project packaging is a creation of a standalone application that can be run on another PC or laptop without installing Unreal Engine. Anyone you send the files to will be able to run the project if the system meets the engine's recommended system requirements. Before packaging the project, you need to install Microsoft Visual Studio. Without this, the project will not be able to be packaged. Go to visualstudio.microsoft.com. Free Visual Studio. Visual Studio Community. Free download. Run installer. Now you need to select the components that will be installed. The first tab is Workloads. Net Multi-Platform. Desktop development with C++. Game development with C++. The next tab is Individual Components. Netcore 3.1. Click Install. Wait to the installation to finish. Installation completed, you can close it. Launch Unreal Engine. Go to Project Settings. Find Default Maps section. Game Default Map change to level with the main menu. I have this main menu level. It must be done so that when starting the project, the level with the main menu opens first. Now go to Platforms tab. Windows. Here is several project packaging configuration options. Shipping is the configuration for the final packaging of the project for a client. This is the best option when you want to hand over the final product to a customer. Development configuration contains additional files and functions for debugging. This can be called a test version of the project. A final user will not notice the difference between these options if only there are more files in the project folder. I'm using the beta version of the engine, and in my case, for some reason, packaging in the shipping mode is not available. I'm sure this problem will be solved with the release of the final version 5.2. I will use the development packaging option. Select the packaging option and click Package Project. Select a folder on the disk where the project will be saved. Don't use folders with long paths. A folder located directly on the local drive is best. Click Select Folder. The packaging process of the project has begun. This process may take a long time. Wait for the end. Packaging is complete. Let's test the project. Go to the folder with the saved project. Run the X file with the name of the project. As you can see, the application has the icon that I set. The project has started. In the next part I will show how to solve problems to bring the project to the final state.